So hello guys, what's up? How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So welcome back in again consistent video, and as you know that I always record my video for my daily consistency because I want to be a fluent in English language. So that's my duty. That's why it's my duty to record video and try to talk about here and there because I have a fun. I am just enjoying my video whenever I'm recording video. I'm really enjoying so much, and also I'm not scripting my video. Just open my camera and recording about and talking about here and there just because of I have a dream. I want to be a fluent English speaker like other people, like people talking like very fluently, very confidently. So that's what I want to be, like that type of people. And so that's why I'm always recording myself and just recording and just showing up myself as a better from my past days. So that is very important, and that's how you can also learn this language. It's a very easiest way to learn this language. You don't have to talk, you don't have to do many more things what other people is suggesting you. And really I'm telling you, the people is just meandering here and there because of he want to learn this language but he's not doing actually what he has to do. So that's why I'm always suggesting that simple one thing if you are doing on a daily basis, and it's very easiest way to do, and it's a very easy to do, and you will don't have to just do a lot of efforts. You can do a lot likely effort on a daily basis, making consistency, and you will learn this language in that way. So that's why I'm always suggesting you have to do that simple thing and you will learn this language as soon as possible. So that's why I'm always suggesting you have to do it because, and let me tell you what you have to do. Just open your camera and record your videos in that language. That is a very easiest way to learn this language, and that's why I am always suggesting you have to do it that simple thing, and you will learn this language as soon as possible. So that's why I'm always suggesting you, because of you want to learn this language, because of you want to grow up yourself, and because of it has enhancing and lot of opportunities for you. So that's why I am suggesting you have to learn this language as soon as possible. So because it's a potential, a lot of potential. If you learn this language, you get a lot of opportunities. You have a achievement something, and you will be really a better than the other people. So that's why I am always suggesting you that simple thing. If you are learning this language, you get a lot of opportunities, lot of appreciation, and many more other things because of this language. And you don't have to do many efforts. You don't have to just give a lot of efforts like the people is suggesting on a YouTube channel. I just saw a man type of video where you are just suggested like you have to learn English grammar rules, you have to learn vocabulary. But trust me, you don't have to do that type of all the things. Just you, if you really want to do something, then you have to read books and just talk it on a daily basis and watch it videos, consume it English videos, consume it English language. That's it you have to do, and you will just get the lot of things. Means you will just find the changes within a 30 days. So it will be really a practical method to learn this language, and I am saying just because of I am doing that simple thing. So that's why I'm always suggesting you that simple thing change you totally. That simple thing just grow up yourself totally. So that's why I'm always suggesting you have to do it. You have to just keep in your mind on that particular thing, and you will learn this language as soon as possible. Because of you have to do it that simple thing, and you will learn this language. So that's why I am always suggesting you have to do it that simple thing. Record for a 5 minute on a daily basis, record for a 2 minute, but start it today, because today is a really a very best day. Just now is the best day. Whenever you just you are just thinking about, yeah, I will start with it tomorrow and the day after. But it's not right. If you really want to grow yourself after this video, you have to start your camera and record it, whether you are sitting anywhere, whether in front of you the people is just talking with each other. You have to start talking in English. It's a very important thing. You have to keep in your mind, like you have to talk it, and that's it. You don't have to do many more things. Just open your camera, record yourself, and just analyze your video where you are making mistake and where do you need improvements. That is a very basic thing. You have to do it, and you will learn this language as soon as possible. So, and you will just see the result within 30 days. I will telling you, because of I am just getting the benefit. I am just analyzing the things. I am just executing the things. So that's why I'm always suggesting you have to do it. Keep in your mind, you will grow it, you will grow it yourself. You have to do it. That is a very simple thing. I'm always in my simple point. If you really want to learn this language, if you really want to be fluent in English, then you have to make your habit to talk in English, because this language is just a habit. All the people say it's a language, but I always suggest you say the simple thing. It's a habit. You have to make it habit to talk in English. And if you are just talking in front of camera for 10 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever, uh, upon your capacity, so it will build you a lot of things. You will not only learning this language, you will not getting the fluency, but rather than getting you a lot of things, like you will get the confidence, you will get the how to articulate your words, how you're making sentences, how you're making structures. You will just get how to communicate with the people in front of camera. You will just learn the body language and many other things. If you are talking in front of camera, you will learning many more things. Just believe me, because I am learning with my days by day. So you can also learn that type of all the things. So that's why I'm always suggesting you have to do it, you have to learn it, this language, because you are learning many more things with that simple thing. So it's a daily steps. You have to grow step by step. No one just be a fluent in English in one night. You have to keep working on it on a daily basis, and you will learn this language as soon as possible. So that's why I'm always suggesting you have to learn it. You have to keep in your mind, you will be fluent, but you have to just make it the courage to talk it, and working on a daily basis on your that simple achievement. If you are learning this language, what is the wrong in that? So keep in your mind, you can learn it, and trust me, it's the future of our India. You will just see the language barrier. You will just break the language barrier which you have. You are underconfident whenever you are talking in front of people, and you also fascinate with when you're just looking at the people who is talking fluently in English. You also fascinate with that person. So this is a magical language. If you have a language capacity, if you learn this language, if you have a guts to talk in front of any people in this language, trust me, it will build your confidence. You will feel very great at that time, and you will feel, yeah, I'm educated, well educated, intellectual person that time. So that's why I'm always suggesting you have to do it. You have to keep in your mind, learn this language as soon as possible, and you will get a lot of benefit with that language. And trust me, it's sorry for the misconvenience, trust me, it's a very good language, very best language, because I get at this point, I am capable right now. I'm making mistake, I know that. I'm not saying I'm so much fluent in English language and I'm an expertise on it. I'm saying I'm a learner, I'm learning day by day with my simple methods. But I must say that I'm right now capable. I'm talking in front of any people. I'm making mistake, I know that, but I have a confidence, I have a gut feelings, like I am able to talk, articulate my words in English in front of any people. So it's the best thing for me right now. I am just getting that is thing, and I am just becoming fluent in English day by day. I'm working in it, keep working in it, keep working in it, and I will be the fluent in English language in future. And like a foreigner people, like a people who is talking very fluently in English. So I really very excited for that, and I have enthusiasm. I will be, because I am working on it. I am just daily, regularly, consistently just talking in English, and it will give you a lot of benefit. Whenever I'm just talking in front of any people, the people is so much silent that time, and I feel like a greatest that time, because I am learning. I have learned, and I have a capabilities to talk in front of any people, and just he's just silent that time. I'm not demoralizing any people. But the thing is that whenever I'm talking in front of any people, and most of the people is not know how to talk in front of any people, so Because of this habit, I get a lot of benefit. And so I want to just give you the idea how can you get the benefit whenever you're learning that type of thing. So you have to just open your camera, recording yourself. That is the very best way to learn many more things with doing simple one steps. So keep working on it. That's for today. See you in the next video. And how's this video? Let me know in the comment section. And also learn this language as soon as is possible, because seriously I'm saying to you, it's a very best language. You will get a lot of opportunities. So take care of yourself, your family. Bye bye.